siya, yung memories ninyong dalawa, parang yun ang pinangahawakan niya to stand on the relationship, no, Aquarius? Tell us more. Ayan, he think you are very nurturer ka, romantic ka, talagang wifey figure ka, no? It's either babae ka man o lalaki, para, or sabihin natin, husband figure ka sa kanya, no? Queen of Cups, tell us more. Medyo, pero ano, no, medyo nag-iisip siya ng, ano, he's thinking na medyo parang may third party involved, o pinanghahinalaan ka na you're entertaining someone, o siya siguro, no? Kaya at this moment, ina-isolate niya ang sarili niya, parang ayaw niyang humingi ng tulong sa iba. So, nababothered siya. Actually, he's bothered because he thinks na someone is actually occupying your heart right now. No, Aquarius. He's isolating himself and he doesn't entertain, or he doesn't enter, or sabihin na